Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A15, a budget-friendly phone that promises some interesting features, so let's dive right in and see what this beauty has to offer. The A15 has a plastic build which is pretty standard for its price point. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold with smooth curves that make it easy to slip in and out of your pockets. It comes in a few different colors, including classic black and white. While it might not be the most glamorous material, the plastic feels surprisingly sturdy for everyday use. Just be prepared for the back to become a fingerprint magnet, but in general, I think that the phone has a very elegant and modern design. The side of the phone houses the SIM and SD card tray. You can either use a second SIM card or a micro SD card for expandable storage since the phone doesn't support two SIM and a micro SD card at the same time. The storage capacity is either 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes, which is generous for this price range. On the right side, there are the usual volume and power buttons, with the power button doubling as a fingerprint sensor. And I'm sure this is basically the same old fingerprint sensor technology that has graced a lot of these budget and mid-tier Samsung phones in recent years. It's not the fastest at unlocking, but it's accurate and convenient enough, and I'm glad it's still here. The bottom has a headphone jack, a USB-C port, and a single speaker. There is no stereo sound here. The A15 has a nice 6.5-inch screen with good clarity, full HD plus resolution. It displays all your colors clearly even outside in the sunshine. It's also smooth thanks to a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes swiping and scrolling feel more fluid. An AMOLED display is used, offering better contrast compared to older phone screens. This makes the phone feel more expensive than it really is. While it doesn't support fancy features like HDR video, the basic experience is good. The brightness is decent, reaching up to 360 nits with manual adjustment and going even higher, almost 800 nits in auto mode. However, the A15 lacks water and dust resistance, and it doesn't have a special scratch-resistant glass screen, and I think that this might be a deal breaker for some people, as many phones these days offer these features. The phone features the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, a 6nm chip designed for entry-level and mid-range smartphones, and a GPU Mali G57. This processor offers a good balance between performance and affordability, making daily tasks and multimedia applications run smoothly. While it can handle popular mobile games at moderate graphics settings, it might not be the best choice for those wanting the highest graphics quality or fastest frame rates. However, considering its budget-friendly price, the A15 delivers impressive performance for its class, making it a great option for users looking for a capable and affordable smartphone. The phone's camera system has a 50-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The main camera takes good 50-megapixel photos during the day with good detail, wide dynamic range, and accurate colors, though sometimes they look over-sharpened or artificially smoothed. At night, the main camera's default photos are poor, but night mode makes them much better. The 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera takes poor, sometimes noisy photos during the day and even worse ones at night. With no night mode available, the 2-megapixel macro camera takes mediocre close-up photos. The 13-megapixel front camera takes good selfies with detail, low noise, good dynamic range, and realistic colors. For video, the main camera records full HD resolution videos with good detail, colors, dynamic range, and no visible noise, though they may look slightly overprocessed. It also has electronic video stabilization for smoother footage, unlike the 4G model. One of the bright spots of the A15 is its battery life. The 5,000 mAh battery delivers impressive results, with our tests recording an active use score of 14 hours and 31 minutes. This falls slightly short of the 4G model's performance in call time tests, but it's still a solid showing. The phone supports fast wire charging up to 25 watt, but keep in mind you'll need to purchase a compatible charger as it's not included in the box. With a compatible charger, you can expect to reach 51% charge in just 30 minutes, with a full charge taking approximately 83 minutes. I think that some people might not like that new Samsung phones don't come with a charger, and it also takes a long time to charge the phone itself. This could be a hassle for some users, so Samsung must take these points into consideration. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G runs the latest software available, giving you a smooth and up-to-date experience. One UI 6, built on top of Android 14, offers most of the features you'd expect, including a customizable interface and improved multitasking. While features like the always-on display and fancy video editor are missing here, you'll still have plenty to explore. The phone is also future-proofed with a commitment from Samsung to provide 3 major Android updates and security patches for 4 years, ensuring your phone stays protected and receives new features for a good amount of time. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G offers a variety of ways to stay connected. The key difference between the 4G and 5G versions lies in cellular network access. The 5G model unlocks the potential of superfast data speeds, ideal for downloading movies in seconds or streaming high-quality video games without lag. However, it's important to remember that 5G availability can vary depending on your location. No matter which version you choose, you'll still have access to reliable Wi-Fi for internet browsing and downloads, Bluetooth for connecting wireless headphones and speakers, and NFC for contactless payments. The Samsung Galaxy A15 is a great option for someone looking for a basic, no-frills smartphone. If you're someone who prioritizes core tasks like browsing the web, checking social media, and enjoying casual games, the A15 5G delivers a smooth experience without breaking the bank. The long battery life ensures you can stay connected throughout the day, while the promise of future software updates from Samsung guarantees your phone stays protected and up-to-date for years to come. The price of the phone varies according to its RAM and storage capacity. When it was released, the phone was priced at approximately $200. However, its price has now dropped to $169. After more than 5 months of use, we can say that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G might not be the most powerful phone on the market. It excels at providing the core functionalities most users rely on without breaking the bank. Don't expect it to be a photography champion or a speed demon, but it tackles everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and casual gaming with ease. The generous battery life keeps you going throughout the day, and Samsung's commitment to software updates ensures your phone stays secure and up-to-date for years to come. This combination of affordability, reliable performance, and long-lasting battery life makes the A15 5G a great option for budget-conscious users who prioritize the essentials. That was all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A15. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates. See you next time.